Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a special treat, something that just showed up in the mail via UPS, and I have it in the form of this box right here. Can you take a guess what it is? Let's see if we can open it real quick. It is a puppy. No, actually it's not a puppy. It is the new iPhone XS, 10s, whatever you want to call it, in the gold. So this should be pretty good. I'm going to do a review and unboxing, and we'll see what happens. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Alright guys, so I came outside to try to give a better color accuracy to the phone once I get it open here, because I've seen on other videos that a lot of the unnatural light shows distortions of really how it's going to look in your normal everyday environment when you're outside walking around with it. So here's our box. Excuse the train noise in the background. Get this thing open here. I actually had some issues with UPS. I missed the package on Friday, and the system was showing that it was going to come on Saturday, and I got all type of information that said they don't deliver on Saturday, and they do, and it never showed up. Anyway, never showed up. So here is the iPhone XS, the infamous pull off the top. Here is our literature about the phone. That one takes out the SIM. Just put that to the side for a second. Get the phone out. So this one comes with your standard charger and cable. Looks like Apple is not upgrading yet to giving you a fast charger with such an expensive device, and also your standard cable ear pods. And so let's pull off. I'm gonna let the train pass so we can hear that last pull. Alright, hopefully you heard that. And so here it is in the gold. So looking at it, first impressions, that depending on where the light hits, you get more of a mirrored gold, obviously because of the glass. But just kind of looking at it straight on, it's kind of a cream, pinkish color. And your camera bump here. So let's see if... So the gold rim on the side where the antenna and speakers would go, your other buttons here, really nice Almost looks like a more of a copper. I would have to say it's more of a deeper dark gold color finish to it. So feels very premium. It still has some heft to it. Feels very similar in weight to the X, which I'm actually recording this on. The sides feel a little bit more grippy, which actually is a good thing, which means that if you're not carrying a case, this is gonna feel a little bit more secure in your hand. Let's get this thing powered on. So we'll fast forward the setup and walkthrough. Really no need. It kind of, from the looks of all the other videos, you know, it's going to have a similar look. If you have the new iOS 12 on it, you're going to have a similar look to it in terms of what everything's going to be like. So maybe I'll do a video where I'm actually like setting it up and show you a little bit more about once getting into it. But this is more of just a quick review and unboxing of the iPhone XS in gold, 256 gigabytes. See the bottom. This one's supposed to have better sound actually than the previous. The antenna bands, I believe they added an extra one, so it's supposed to give you kind of better reception to the device. So that is it. That is the iPhone XS or XS in gold. So that about wrapped things up. This was the iPhone XS in gold, 256 gigabyte unboxing and just a short review. I'll probably do a longer review of it once I've had time with the actual device for a while. Do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like button on the channel and this video, and tune back in. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Thanks for joining. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross.